After months of anticipation, Samsung has finally launched the One UI 7.0 Android 15 beta program. Starting today, select Galaxy devices in a few regions are receiving the beta update. The beta rollout is now live for the Galaxy S24, Galaxy S24 Plus, and Galaxy S24 Ultra in select markets. Those who have enrolled in the program and installed the update may be surprised to find that Samsung has added a long-requested feature. Along with the Galaxy S24 series receiving access to the One UI 7.0 beta, Samsung has outlined the key new features of the update. In addition to fresh Galaxy AI capabilities and design changes, the update includes enhanced privacy and security features. Key features of One UI 7.0. 1. Knox Matrix Dashboard, a blockchain-based security system. Knox Matrix creates a private blockchain linking all your Samsung devices, phones, tablets, TVs, and home appliances, and monitors potential threats across these devices. 2. Enhanced Data Protection Recovery Method. This feature ensures data stored on Samsung Cloud is end-to-end encrypted and syncs securely across all your Samsung devices. 3. Passkeys support for Samsung Account. While One UI 6.1 introduced passkey support, Samsung Account now also allows this option, providing a more secure way to log in. 4. Auto Blocker's Maximum Restriction Option. This feature prevents your Galaxy device from connecting to 2G networks or unsecured Wi-Fi networks when activated. 5. Improved Theft Protection. With the Identity Check feature, One UI 7.0 ensures that if your phone is in an unfamiliar location, it will require biometric authentication before allowing changes to security settings. After updating, the app icon will display the day in addition to the date, making it more informative compared to the previous version, which only showed the date. New AI features. Samsung introduces Writing Assist tools in One UI 7.0, which can be accessed whenever text is selected. These tools help with spelling, grammar, tone checks, summarizing text, and auto-formatting notes. Call Transcripts is another new feature that transcribes recorded calls in 20 languages, eliminating the need to take manual notes during calls. UI and design overhaul. One UI 7.0 features a major redesign with a new layout for the quick panel, a more expressive multitasking interface, and a simplified notifications screen. Notifications in the quick panel are now separated, with notifications being larger and pill-shaped for better readability. The update also introduces Now Bar, a UI element that shows ongoing activities such as active calls, music playback, interpreter mode, workout tracking, SOS, and timers. More apps and services will be supported in future updates. The camera app has also received an update, with most controls now located at the bottom of the screen. Pro Photo and Pro Video modes offer a simpler control bar, allowing users to focus more on their subjects. Additional security features. One UI 7.0 enhances security with the maximum restrictions option in Auto Blocker, which disables 2G network access and stops your device from connecting to unsecured Wi-Fi networks. That's it for today, folks. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.